Here's today's 15-day weather forecast for DFW Metroplex. A winter storm watch is issued for DFW Metroplex starting 12 p.m. Friday. Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies with a 20% chance of rain. Low 50 degrees. High 55 degrees. Wednesday, morning rain showers, then late to cloudy skies in the afternoon with a 60% chance of rain. Low 45 degrees. High 65 degrees. Thursday, partly cloudy skies with a 20% chance of rain. Low 44 degrees. High 57 degrees. Friday, periods of rain in the morning and afternoon hours and change into freezing rain in the evening hours with a 100% chance of precipitation. Low 23 degrees. High 48 degrees. Saturday, a wintry mix with snow, sleet, and freezing rain throughout the day with a 100% chance of precipitation. Low 18 degrees. High 26 degrees. Sunday, periods of snow flurries throughout the day with a 60% chance of snow. Low 20 degrees. High 32 degrees. Monday, sunny skies with a 0% chance of snow. Low 27 degrees. High 39 degrees. Tuesday, sunny skies with a 0% chance of rain. Low 31 degrees. High 51 degrees. Wednesday, mostly sunny skies with a 10% chance of rain. Low 32 degrees. High 48 degrees. Thursday, cloudy skies with a 20% chance of rain. Low 34 degrees. High 47 degrees. Friday, partly cloudy skies with a 20% chance of rain. Low 32 degrees. High 49 degrees. Saturday, sunny skies with a 0% chance of rain. Low 33 degrees. High 51 degrees. Sunday, partly cloudy skies with a 20% chance of rain. Low 38 degrees. High 59 degrees. Monday, cloudy skies with a 20% chance of rain. Low 36 degrees. High 58 degrees. Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies with a 20% chance of rain. Low 35 degrees. High 49 degrees. And that is your 15-day weather forecast for DFW Metroplex. Please like, subscribe, and share this video for more weather updates. Be prepared for this winter storm this weekend, and I'll see you next time on Sean's Weather Watch.